In this video, I'm going to reveal the 5 best yoga affiliate programs for 2021. In addition, I'm going to show you the best ways to promote those products so that you can make the most amount of money. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so you want to get into the yoga and fitness niche, but you want to know which affiliate programs you should promote and which ones you should stay away from. In this video, I'm going to show you which ones you should promote and how to promote them to make the most amount of money. So let's go ahead and get right into it. #1 is with the Jade Yoga affiliate program. Now, the great thing with this affiliate program is that they pay a 20% commission, much higher than most affiliate programs out there for physical products, and the cookie duration is over 30 days. So that is a very good opportunity if you are looking to get started. Again, 20% commission, which is going to be very high, and it's going to pay a commission of 30, and the cookie duration is 30 days. So that's #1. #2 is with Healthy Moving. Now, they will pay a commission of 30%. How crazy is that? 30% commission, and their cookie duration is 6 months. All right, so if we take a look at the Healthy Moving, it is a coaching and class program. We're teaching people yoga. If we scroll all the way down here, it looks like they have programs that are valued at $149. You can pay 3 monthly payments of $99 or a single payment of $247. And you're going to get paid a commission, 30% in fact, of the $247. So it can be a good opportunity to make some very good money. So that is #2. #3 is actually with Brilliant Yoga. And with Brilliant Yoga, they actually pay a 70% commission, and their cookie window is 60 days. So that is a very good opportunity. If we take a closer look into Brilliant Yoga, you can see this is a coaching and program course where it actually gives you some keywords that you can promote. Yoga classes. This is a very good opportunity because it's giving you a ton of information to help you start making some income. It even provides images, and it looks like it gives you banner ads, everything that you need to get up and running, making passive income. They pay you a ton of money, 70% in fact, and they have a long cookie window. So there is a lot of opportunity in the Brilliant Yoga with the Brilliant Yoga affiliate program. If we take a look at the front page or the main page of Brilliant Yoga, they have a front-end offer of just $47. There are one-time offers and upsells on the back end that you could potentially earn commissions on it as well. As you can see, the payment is just $47, and you would get paid 70% commission of that. So you're probably looking around $30, $25, $30. You would need about 4 or 5 sales per day to make $100 per day with this program. So that's a pretty good opportunity when you combine it. They give you a ton of information to help you get up and running. So that could be a good place to start as well. All right, so next is Yoga Download. Now, Yoga Download only pays a 12% commission, but their affiliate window is 30 days. So you have 30 days from the time someone clicks on your link for you to earn a commission. So if we take a look at their website here, this affiliate program is ran by ShareSale, so you know that it is a high quality product. If you take a look, they offer a number of benefits to their affiliates, and you can start making some passive income relatively quickly. If we go up to the main page here, which is yogadownload.com, I'm just going to copy this and go over to the main site. You can see there are a number of different products and services that can help you and help people with yoga and make passive income. So if you take a look, there's programs, classes, apps, instructors, and so on. You can make very good money. It looks like people can join their program for as little as $10 per month. Now, obviously, there are going to be some upsells on the back end of that where you could potentially make money as well. After Yoga Download, we have Welana, and with this affiliate program, you can get paid up to 15% commission, and their affiliate window is 120 days. So if you look at here, so if we take a look here at the different products they have to offer, they have everything from DVDs to masks. When we look at the DVDs here, you can see they start at $17.95 and they go all the way up to $179.80. But there is a ton of products that you can earn commission on. And again, it's 15% and it's up to 120 days with regard to the cookie window. So there is a number of opportunity. Now that we have covered the 5, let's go ahead and talk about the best ways to promote it. Now, in my opinion, the easiest and best way to promote it is going to be with YouTube. And not just with YouTube, you can focus on weight loss and you can focus on spirituality. For example, if we go over to YouTube right now, We can focus on, let's say, yoga for beginners, people that are just getting started with yoga. We can target people that are interested in fitness for beginners. So if we go, let's say, let's type in yoga for beginners. As you can see, there are tons of opportunities. Yoga for beginners, weight loss, for men, at home, flexibility, 30 minutes. There's a ton of opportunities, but what we'd want to do, because this is going to be pretty competitive, is we're going to try and niche down just a little bit. So if we go yoga for beginners, hit the space bar again. So now we're looking at yoga for beginners, weight loss, and now there's a whole nother subcategory that we could create content. Loss and flexibility, loss in men, loss at home, 30-day in Hindi, day 1, day 2. Let's just click on this first one here. Yoga for beginners, weight loss, and flexibility. We click on that. The top result here from 7 years ago has 3.2 million views, and they have 3.9 million subscribers. Now that's going to be a ton. The result after that has pretty good traffic, but what we'd want to do is, let's see what happens when we type in 2021. Let's see if that changes things just a little bit. It does change the results, but it does look like it's still pretty competitive. But what you'd want to do, what I recommend that you do, is you create content where you're teaching people either yoga poses, you're talking about the benefits of yoga. This can be a very good opportunity, but again, as you can see, it's really competitive. So maybe you want to type in like fitness for beginners. And then you want to niche down so that you are talking to maybe fitness for beginners at home. Hit the space bar here again, and you can see fitness exercise for beginners at home. And one of the videos or a series of videos that you could create are fitness exercises for beginners at home. Create 10 or 15 videos in that niche, and then you can move on to a different topic. So if we hit 2021 here, we can see it's going to be pretty competitive, but the great thing with YouTube is it affords just about anybody an opportunity as long as you are consistently uploading videos. As you can see here, these guys are getting tons of views, 1.8 million views from just 8 months ago, and they're just showing people different exercises. And again, you can do this too. Now, if you are uncomfortable with showing your face, you don't have to show your face. We could also look at, let's say, yoga poses, for example. We'll say yoga, fitness at home, yoga music for exercise, yoga for beginners at home. If we hit the space bar there, as you can see, there is a whole field of opportunity. Yoga for beginners at home, 10 minutes. So that could be an opportunity. The top result here, again, a really big channel, but let's see what happens if we type in 2021. And if we're not seeing people that are creating this type of content, that could be our area of opportunity. But you can see there are a ton of people searching for yoga for beginners. It will take consistency and effort in order to find success within this niche, but weight loss, fitness is going to be a very good idea because it's visual. It's going to keep people coming back as long as you keep creating content. So that's one way with YouTube. Another great way is actually going to be with Instagram. Now, within Instagram, what I'd recommend that you do is you create short vertical videos showing people different yoga poses or showing different fitness techniques and then linking out to your affiliate program. What I recommend instead is sending them to an email opt-in page where you collect their email address and then you follow up with them with email marketing. That way you can make the most amount of money. But if you create, let's say, an Instagram account where you're just focusing on fitness, let's see if we can bring one up here to show you the power of Instagram. And again, you're just going to look at fitness and yoga and healthy lifestyle. So if we go, let's type in, we'll type in yoga pants, yoga poses, click on that here. The top result, as you can see, people are creating videos. These are probably Instagram Reels. They're creating videos where they're just showing different poses. Now, the interesting thing is you could go find images and videos on the internet where people are showing poses. Now, obviously, you want to make sure that you are finding poses that are Creative Commons, but this is an opportunity as well. If you want to, you could create your own poses. You could even do this as someone that is going through a weight loss journey yourself. So maybe you are out of shape, but you want to get back in shape and you feel like yoga is going to be a good opportunity. So you could actually take advantage of that and then recommend one of the videos that you found or one of the affiliate programs that you found. So Instagram could be a good opportunity because Instagram is highly visual, as you know, and both video as well as still images can work very well. After Instagram, you can do the same thing with Pinterest. If we jump over to Pinterest.com, and one of the reasons why I like Pinterest is I think, underserved by marketers. There are some marketers that do very well on Pinterest. Other people tend to shy away because they're not familiar with how it works. They're not confident in their abilities with how it works. Just for a point of reference, I most recently had 1.2 million impressions, 18,000 saves, and 436 outbound clicks. Now, what the outbound clicks mean, they are going to my landing pages, they're going to my website, they're going to my YouTube channel, and people are finding me through this method, through Instagram, through Pinterest. So I have a pretty good idea of what I'm talking about when it comes to Pinterest. What we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the search bar here, and we're just gonna type in yoga. We could type in fitness, but as you can see, people are creating content. Now, I recommend with Pinterest that you do video marketing. Video marketing with Pinterest is incredibly powerful. And if you look at this person at the top has a very small image, but the reason why video pins work very well is because video pins, as you can see, stand out amongst all of the static pins. All of these static pins kind of blend in, especially with the white background. But when you have one or two pins that are video pins, you are definitely getting a leg up, getting an advantage. And Pinterest is really pushing video pins. Nowadays, they're getting tons of traffic, impressions, and as you can see, I only upload 5 video pins per day, so I know that it works. My number 3 recommended way would actually be with Pinterest. Pinterest video pins, not just regular pins, Pinterest video pins. Now, my 4th way is actually with TikTok. You can create simple TikTok videos up to 1 minute where you're showing people different yoga poses, you're showing a weight loss transformation, and then you can actually put your affiliate links in the description. Now, with TikTok, you do need 1,000 followers before you're able to upload your links, but this can be a very good opportunity. As you can see, this person on my screen here has uploaded a very basic video, and it has 879,000 likes and 16,000 comments. What we would do is we look for the hashtag for yoga, hit enter, and you're gonna see there are tons of people. This yoga classes, 514,000 subscribers or followers, and they're just doing simple poses. It's very easy, very simple. And as you can see, this person has their link in the description, and they are getting tons of leads and sales every single day, and they're doing different poses. Very, very easy, very simple things that you can do. What I'd recommend that if you're getting started with TikTok, wake up on a Sunday morning, create 27 videos, and then upload them throughout the week. Do 3 videos per day until you start getting the amount of traffic. If you wanted to, you could scale that back to 2 videos per day, but I recommend that you upload 3 videos per day. And the best way to do it is simply to batch out your content. Pick 2 hours on a Sunday or Saturday, whatever day you have off and you have free. Create all your videos, save them as drafts, and then sprinkle them out. You want to make sure that you are using the most relevant hashtags. And when it comes to creating hashtags, you want to niche down. So instead of just creating hashtags about yoga, that's going to be too competitive. You may want to do yoga for beginners, yoga for beginners 2021, or yoga poses for beginners. You want to make sure that you play around with that. Let's look at this. You want to make sure that you play around with those hashtags so that you're getting in front of people that are giving you the best chance to grow and scale. If you just create content on yoga, it's going to be way too competitive, and it's going to be difficult for you to find the level of success that you're looking for. But if you do something like yoga for beginners 2021, that's going to be niched down enough where you're talking to a very targeted group of people. And oh, by the way, even though you have yoga for beginners, you can still potentially rank for yoga and yoga for beginners as well. So that is number 4. And number 5 is with blogging. Blogging is going to be really competitive unless you pair it with one of these other methods. So what you could do is you could create a TikTok account about yoga, and then instead of having an affiliate link in your description, you could actually have a link to your blog. That's going to help you and help Google know that you are creating quality content. So that's kind of a way to fast track your efforts. Another thing that you could do is you could create an account over on Quora, and then also link people out to your blog as well. These are all different ways that you can start gaining traffic to your website or blog relatively fast without having to wait in the Google sandbox or even playing the algorithm game. Now that you know 5 different yoga affiliate programs, click the first link in the description for my number 1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you will be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.